Welcome to Block 7, where we explore inspiring house designs from around the world. Today, we will dive into Sugi House, a project designed by Condon Scott Architects. This 90-square-meter home is located in Wanaka, New Zealand, and was completed in 2020. Let's explore the design of this house that blends Japanese style with modern efficiency. The initial inspiration for this house came from a ski trip to Japan, where the homeowners realized the comfort of living in small, carefully designed spaces. They wanted a holiday home in Wanaka that would provide privacy from their existing family home by the lake. Inspired by the design of the Kiramoko tiny house by Barry Condon, they engaged Barry to bring their vision to life. This house features a simple yet highly efficient design. The ground floor consists of a double-height living and kitchen area, separated by a staircase from the children's bathroom and bedroom. Meanwhile, the upper floor includes a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a workspace, and storage areas. Barry Condon explains that every function in this house is allocated just the right amount of space. No more, no less. Integrated storage is meticulously designed, including hidden shoe racks, concealed cabinets, drawers built into the stairs, and built-in shelving in the loft. These elements maximize space utilization without compromising aesthetics. The house's interior embraces a Japanese minimalist style with warm timber paneling. Black fittings and hidden cabinetry create a modern, clean look, while a sculptural ceiling fan serves as a visual focal point. The compact bathroom, designed as a wet room, resembles a Japanese spa with stone-like tiles extending from floor to ceiling. The exterior features a uniform material of cedar shingles, which not only adds visual warmth but also minimizes maintenance. Since the house faces the street, windows are kept minimal to maintain privacy, while the view is oriented westward to capture stunning vistas of Mount Roy. The southern facade is windowless to avoid direct interaction with approaching neighbors. This house was constructed using SIPS panels and incorporates passive house techniques for maximum thermal efficiency. The panels are carefully sealed and wrapped to minimize heat loss. The windows use double-glazed low-E glass with argon gas and thermal breaks to ensure a comfortable indoor temperature. With its small footprint and high insulation, a Stovax wood fire is sufficient to heat the house during Wanaka's chilly winters. The outdoor area features a private terrace surrounded by greenery. With sliding doors open, this space becomes an extension of the living room, ideal for enjoying warm summer days. Sugi House is a perfect example of how small spaces can be meticulously designed to provide maximum comfort. This home is not only aesthetically pleasing but also energy efficient, making it an ideal retreat for this family to reconnect with loved ones across the globe. Thank you for watching today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue getting inspired by other house designs. See you in the next video on Block 7.